Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about one of the most refreshing, delicious, and nutritious fruits out there, watermelon. You've probably enjoyed a juicy slice during summer, but what if I told you that watermelon does way more than cool you off on a hot day? Stick around because I'm about to tell you the awesome health benefits of watermelon that will make you want to eat it every single day. 1. Hydration hero. First up, let's talk hydration. We all know water is essential, but did you know watermelon is made up of over 90% water? That means it's like a super hydrating snack. You're getting water and nutrients in every bite. Perfect for those days when you're feeling thirsty, but don't want to just drink plain water. Grab a slice of watermelon the next time you're hitting the gym or feeling parched in the sun. It's nature's way of keeping you hydrated while satisfying your taste buds. Eating watermelon is like sipping on the best, most refreshing drink, but better. 2. Low-calorie, high-flavor. If you're watching your calories or just love guilt-free snacks, watermelon is your new best friend. It's super low in calories, only about 30 calories per 100 grams. Yep, you heard that right. You can snack on as much watermelon as you want without worrying about the scale. Plus, it's packed with flavor, sweet, juicy, and satisfying. So you'll feel like you're indulging, but you're staying on track. Whether you're at a party or just chilling on the couch, watermelon is the snack that lets you enjoy without the calories creeping up on you. Win-win! 3. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants. But wait, there's more! Watermelon is packed with vitamins and antioxidants. It's an amazing source of vitamin C, which is awesome for boosting your immune system. Say goodbye to colds and hello to that extra immunity boost. And that's not all. Watermelon is also rich in vitamin A, which is essential for healthy skin and good vision. So, every time you bite into a watermelon slice, you're not just enjoying a delicious treat, you're nourishing your body. 4. Heart health boost. Now, let's talk about heart health. Watermelon is loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that's great for your heart. Lycopene helps reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure, both of which are super important for a healthy heart. Research even suggests that lycopene may help lower your risk of heart disease. So, by enjoying a slice of watermelon, you're helping your heart stay strong. Yep, you heard that right. Watermelon is not just a tasty treat, it's a heart-healthy superhero. 5. Supercharge your workout. Want to supercharge your workout recovery? Try watermelon. The fruit is rich in citrulline, an amino acid that may help reduce muscle soreness and improve your performance during exercise. Studies show that consuming watermelon can help reduce post-workout soreness and speed up recovery. So, whether you're lifting, running, or doing yoga, a little watermelon could help you bounce back faster. Talk about a natural recovery drink? Forget fancy sports drinks. Watermelon's got your back when it comes to muscle recovery. 6. Supports digestion and gut health. Did you know watermelon can help with digestion? Thanks to its high water content and fiber, it helps keep your digestive system running smoothly and prevents constipation. The water keeps everything moving, while the fiber acts like a broom, sweeping out toxins from your system. So, if you've been feeling a bit bloated or sluggish, a few slices of watermelon could help get your gut back on track. It's like a natural cleanse, refreshing, and your body will thank you for it. 7. Hydration and skin glow. Want glowing skin? Watermelon's high water content helps keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Plus, the vitamin C in watermelon boosts collagen production, which is essential for maintaining firm, youthful skin. You can even apply watermelon directly to your skin as a hydrating face mask. Your skin will love it. It's a beauty treatment you can eat and apply. How cool is that? 8. Perfect for summer parties. Watermelon isn't just a health food, it's also perfect for your summer parties. Imagine a big, cold watermelon salad, or even a refreshing watermelon mojito to serve your guests. It's the ultimate party fruit. Not only does it taste amazing, but it's also so easy to prepare. So next time you're hosting a BBQ or picnic, be sure to have watermelon on hand. It's guaranteed to impress. 9. Bonus tip: watermelon rind. Here's a fun bonus tip for you. Don't throw away the watermelon rind. That part of the watermelon is packed with fiber and nutrients. You can use it in smoothies, make pickled watermelon rind, or even cook it up for a savory dish. Waste not, want not, right. Seriously, the rind is as versatile as the fruit itself. So there you have it, folks. Watermelon is your summer superfood. Hydrating, delicious, packed with nutrients, and even great for your skin and heart. What's not to love? I hope this video got you as excited about watermelon as I am. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more fun and healthy tips, and let me know in the comments how you like to eat your watermelon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.